Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning, girls. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude. Do you know what is gratitude? Do you know, girls, what is gratitude? Okay, gratitude is an attitude. Okay, it is emotion, mood, moral virtue, habitat, motive, personality trait, way of life. That is thankful, affection. That is called as gratitude. The quality of being thankful or readiness to show appreciation for and return kindness is called gratitude. She expressed her gratitude to the committee for their support. That is by saying thank you, etc. Gratitude is one of many positive emotions. Okay, about focusing on what's good in our lives and being thankful for the things we have. Okay, there is gratitude. The word it is a Latin term, gratia, meaning favor. Gratus mean pleasing. The International Encyclopedia of Ethics says that gratitude is the heart's internal indicator when tallied to gifts outweighs exchanges. Gratitude is defined as the state of being appreciative of blessings received and the quality of being thankful. Saying thank you in English. How to express gratitude in English? Here, did you just learn to say thank you? Gratitude is one of many positive emotions. It is about focusing on what's good in your life and being thankful for the things we have. That is gratitude. Gratitude is pausing to notice and appreciate the things that we have often take for granted. Okay, whenever we find times, we have to appreciate the things and we have to grateful, we have to show and we have to express our sincere thanks to that person or to that society, that because of them only we are blessed with. Okay, we often take for granted, like having a place to live, food, clean water, friends, families, even computer access. Everything we have blessed with, right? Yes or no? So we have to build the quality of expressing gratitude to others. That is the most important thing in our life. That is the positive thing. There are many contexts where our gratitude is required. That is complimenting, signaling the end of a service encounter, or signaling the end of the presentation. Here, complimenting. It is the type of gratitude that is expressed after a favor is done. Okay, that is compliments, giving compliments. Usually the compliment has two parts. One is, oh, that's great. The other is, thanks a lot. You are wonderful. Thank you. Thanks a bunch. You are a lifesaver. There are two type of complimenting things. Gratitude means thanks and appreciation. Okay. What does it really means? Okay, gratitude means thanks and appreciation. Gratitude, which rhymes with attitude, comes from the Latin word gratus, which means thankful and pleasing. When you feel gratitude, you are pleased by what someone did for you and also pleased by the results. Yes, of course. Unlike indebtedness, you are not anxious about having to pay it back. Okay, here feeling pleased with or having blessed with, you are not paying back. Okay, that is gratitude. What is gratitude and why it is important? Why it is important, girls? Gratitude is a thankful appreciation for what an individual receives. Okay, if you are lamenting for something and you get this thing, that time you felt very happy, right? And that is that time you will say that you are very thankful, right? Yes or no? Individual receives, whether intangible or intangible, with gratitude people acknowledge the goodness in their lives. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotion, relish good experience, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build a strong relationship. Because of gratitude, a person can feel more positive emotion, relish good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relations. Is it clear? Giving thanks can make you happier. Okay. Then reassuring. Expressing gratitude on receipt of a gift. That is thanks, just what I needed. Blue is my favorite color. Oh, you know me so well. Thanks, I love it. That is the different ways of expressing gratitude. Here, expressing delight. That is, you are expressing your feelings. Gratitude that also expresses pleasant surprises. Oh wow, thank you so much. Okay, thanks. Oh great. I really appreciate that. That is the expressions. When we receive what we are waiting for, that time the expressions come automatically from our mouth. Right? Oh wow, thank you so much. Wow, that's great. Oh really? Like that. Okay, that is the expression of delight. Okay. Can you get my points, girls? Then, how do you practice gratitude? How you have to build the gratitude in your daily life? Expressing lack of necessity. Here, expressing lack of necessity. After a considerate act, oh, thank you very much, you shouldn't have. That's very sweet of you, I didn't have to do that. Here, gratitude leads to health. That is how it helps to lead a healthy life. Researchers are revealing the amazing emotional and physical effect of expressing gratitude. Here, study 1, participants were asked to write down what they were grateful for every 10 days for 10 weeks. At the end of the 10 weeks, participants were found to be more optimistic, more positive about their lives, and reported visiting the doctor less. That is, it is a researcher are revealing that an amazing emotional and physical effect of expressing gratitude. That is, they are giving as a task to a person, that participants who are participating, that they have to write every day about what they are grateful for. Okay, for 10 weeks they are assigning, and after that, after 10th week, what they becomes, the participants becomes very optimistic, more positive about their life, and reported visiting the doctor less. Okay, because they become the very much positive person. Okay, the power of gratitude for healthy and happy life. Okay, because if you express your feeling, you will be become very happy, and your life will become healthy. Okay, whatever it may be, you have to express your feelings. Here 7 tips to practice gratitude. Keep a daily gratitude journal. Start your day with gratitude. That is, you have to keep in mind that you have to start your day with gratitude. Write a note or letter to thanks for someone. Okay, that is, in a day you have to thank to someone. That is, you can thank your father, you can thank your mother, a sister, brother, or maid. Okay, whoever does something for you. Is that clear? Okay, then accept each day as a gift. That is, the third tip is practicing gratitude is accepting each day as a gift. Thank you, Allah, for giving me this day, like that. Okay, accepting. Enjoy nature's beauty. That is, enjoy the nature beauty, admire, inspire that. Okay, see beauty in others and pay compliments. That is, you should not pinpoint others, you have to see beauty in others and pay compliments. Okay, keep in mind there is nothing lacking. Okay, keep in mind that everyone is perfect and there is nothing lacking. Start and end your day with gratitude. If you practice this 7 thing, you will become a positive person, very grateful person in the life, in the world and hereafter. Is that clear, ma? Okay. We find what we are looking for. If we are looking for life and love and openness and growth, we are likely to find them. If we are looking for witchcraft and evil, we will likely find them. That is, we find what we are looking for. That is, what is in your thought, that will come to you. Here, if you are looking for life, love and openness and growth, it will come to you and you will find surely. And if you are looking for witchcraft and evil and bad things, and that thing also definitely come to you. That is, we find what we are looking for. Gratitude in relationship. That is, the state of being grateful. Thankfulness expressed gratitude for their support. Okay, is it clear, ma? Does gratitude really works? Yes, of course, gratitude really works. Okay, couples who frequently express gratitude to each other feel more positive about their relationship and more comfortable when expressing relationship concerns. Okay. Then gratitude at work. Workplace studies have shown the benefits of employers expressing gratitude for their employees. 2. Employees who are thanked by their managers tend to work harder and report a greater job satisfaction. That is, you have to build a good atmosphere in the workplace also. There also, your employees should express their gratitude to the manager, and manager should also express the gratitude to the employees. Okay. Then my colleagues and I have found that people are actually more successful at reaching their goals. Because when they consciously practice gratitude, this finding does not surprise me because people made to keep a gratitude journal in my studies consistently report feeling more energetic, alive, awake and alert. That is, by following this, you will feel rapid change in your life. That is, you will feel more energetic, alive, awake, and very alert. Is it clear, ma? Can you get my points? Okay. Then, suggestions for increasing gratitude in your life. How you will improve your gratitude skill in your life. Start your day with making a list of few of the things you are grateful for. That is, Alhamdulillah, I am grateful because today I woke up in the morning. Right? That is, I am grateful for. Yes or no? Like that, you have to be grateful. Many things are there, right? Yes or no? Which for we are grateful. So, what you have to do is, you have to start counting your gratefulness. Blessed with. Write a thank you letter to someone who changed your life for the better. Okay. Make a list of 50 things you appreciate about yourself. That is, by looking yourself, you are blessed with and you are happy with that. Okay, you are appreciating yourself. Make a list of it. In the evening, reflect on the day and think of 5 things for which you are grateful. And at the evening, you have to think that what made you to think that you are very grateful. Here, I'm sharing with you that is 9 powerful ways of gratitude can change your life. Not only will gratitude affect the quality of your life, it may also change the length of it. That is, thanks. People will like you more. The simple act of saying thank you inspires people to seek ongoing relationship. According to a study in the year 2014 published in Emotion, showing some appreciation is an essay way to start a conversation, and over time it can deepen your friendship. That is, the simple act of saying thank you inspire people and it will seek ongoing relationship. Then you will sleep better. The next thing is, you will sleep better. Thinking about the things you are grateful for improves your quality of sleep. That is, if you are in a depression, you should not think about which makes you unhappy. You have to think about which makes you happy and what are all the things you are having for grateful. Okay, you are blessed with. So it will make you sleep better. Okay. Additionally, being thankful helps you sleep longer and you will feel better rested when you wake up. Then third one, your psychological well-being will improve. That psychology is also improves. Several studies have linked gratitude to lower levels of depression and less suicidal ideation, including the study. Okay, gratitude has also been linked to fewer toxic emotions like resentment and envy. And the fourth one, your physical health will improve. Being appreciative has powerful effect on your body. Researchers have linked gratitude to lower blood pressure. Then fifth one is, you will have more energy to work on your goals. If you feel you are grateful, you will feel energy in your life. Okay, and you will feel more energy to work on your goal. Is it clear? Then you will be a better leader. Grateful leader motivate their employees to be more productive. Okay, so you will become a grateful leader. Then seventh one, you will recover from hardship to easier. That is, gratitude is pivotal in managing stress and fostering mental strength. Then you will feel less stressed. Obviously, if you are grateful, you will feel less stressed. Even those who lived in difficult circumstances like poverty experience stress buffering properties of gratitude. And the ninth one, and the last but not the least, you will feel better about yourself. So, What you have to do? You have to develop an attitude of gratitude. Attitude of gratitude. There are lots of ways to increase your gratitude, whether you choose to count your blessings in a gratitude journal or you decide to share your appreciation with others. Take a few minutes to cultivate gratitude. Feeling thankful can be the simplest and the fastest way to improve your life. Is that clear, ma? Can you get my points? Okay, here, Heart of Wellness. We are all a collaborative group practice that focuses on seeing the whole you, not just a list of symptoms. We combine the best of modern science and ancient wisdom to treat anything from the common cold to complex disease through evidence-based medicine and treatment, in addition to providing education to empower you to take charge of your own healing. That is, here they have started. Okay, because instead of giving any medicine to cure the depression, they have searched. It is shown in the studies that those who are counting their gratefulness and they are giving a task for them for 10 weeks, after that 10 weeks they will become more energetic, emotion and an optimistic, positive person, and they visit the doctor less. Welcome gratitude in your life. At Heart of Wellness, we know the importance of practicing gratitude on a daily basis, and we want to help you feel its wonderful benefits. Okay, that is, here they are running some a place where they are practicing gratitude on a daily basis. Is that clear? Here, there is to be thankful and to be kind enough. There is affection, thanksgiving, perseverance, family, friends, happy, kind, nice, everything. There are research reveals that gratitude can have these benefits, like gratitude opens the door to more relationship, gratitude improves physical health, gratitude improves psychological health, gratitude enhances empathy and reduces aggression, grateful people sleep better, gratitude improves self-esteem. Okay, if you want to be successful, start with gratitude. Gratitude leads to increased happiness, which leads to motivation to achieve your goal. Research has demonstrated many times over the many benefits of practicing gratitude. Most importantly, gratitude leads to increased level of happiness. Gratitude can change your life because it makes you appreciate what you have rather than what you don't have. So, gratitude will change your whole life. Gratitude can change your life because it is the single most powerful source of inspiration that any person can tap into if they simply just stop and paid attention to the simplistic beauty and miracle of life. So, gratitude can change your life because it makes you appreciate what you have rather than what you don't have. So, gratitude will change your life. Gratitude reduces your stress. Gratitude really works if you practice in your daily life. Is it clear, ma? Okay, this is what the expressing of gratitude. By this, this lesson ends. If you have any doubts, please do ask girls. Then only I will clarify your doubts. Okay, it is nothing but thanksgiving, appreciating, and blessed with what are all the things we are having, and instead of saying that we don't have this thing, we have to say we have this thing, like that, expressing our thoughts. That is called gratitude and grateful for what we are having. Okay, okay girls, by this I'll take a leave. Okay girls, thank you, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.